pick your character card. And don't forget, enjoy it. Rob, your character is?
Female, popular.
Faith?
No. Don't tell me. Show me.
No offense, but you look chubby and, like, poor.
Definitely Faith.
Miss Finch, should we be laughing? I feel like this is undermining the seriousness of anti-bullying day.
Busy, Faith. We're laughing because we recognize this character. Maybe you should ask yourself why you don't.
Okay. Appreciate your effort. No. Yeah, it's your turn now. So you had a character card?
Of course you stole it. You're a gypsy. I feel rotten, hon.
Scene. Well, let's unpack what we just saw here. Yes, Rob?
Oh, well, Fiekra's character could have been even meaner. I mean, there's some really nasty ethnic slurs for travelers.
I've never heard anyone be racist to travelers or...
The bus doesn't stop outside our halting site. That's one example. And at my last girl, everyone was nasty about it. That's why I hit it.
Did you punch him? I'd punch him.
No punching.
Everyone always thinks we're fighting anyway. I'm not giving them slaps any ammo. I'm proud of who I am and where I come from. And if anybody has a problem with that, that's their loss.
You can do this.
It's like Daisy said, people have a problem, it's their loss.
You ready?
To set the scene, we're at camp. 2 girls from this class are there. Very different girls. Away from the normal friendship groups, they actually start to get on. Which would you rather have? Really sticky hands or really smelly ears?
Sticky hands, obviously.
Wait, why are they sticky? You ate a massive plate of ribs.
Oh, well, that's such a me thing to do. Can I eat something else? Something nice, like a salad.
You're ruining the game. You know, you're kind of stuck up at school.
Stuck up? What?
Admit it. I mean, you'd look right through me if we were back home.
Well, I'm looking at you now. What are you doing? What is wrong with you? That's so messed up.
Wow, I'm sorry.
So what? You'd pretend to be my friend and then try to kiss me?
I am your friend. I
Look,
just thought...
I'm not like you, okay? Just leave me alone. Or I'll tell the whole school that you're a lesbian who forces herself on her friends. Watch your back, Jess.
And scene.
No one here would act like that. We're not a homophobic class.
Why would Louise start the whole
kissing thing and then start threatening Jess.
Shame. She's ashamed.
No one I know would...
Oisín, it happened, okay?
Well, why would you put up with it?
Well, bullying is an abuse of power. It is in fact highly plausible that a student with a prominent position in their year group will use this social power to mistreat others.